Imagine this. You finally start earning money, not millions, just enough to breathe. And suddenly, everything wants it. Rent, food, subscriptions, friends, random charges you don't even remember approving. One day you check your bank balance and think, where did it all go? Here's the scary part. Most people don't fail financially because they earn too little. They fail because no one taught them how to manage money when it actually mattered. Let me ask you something real. If your income stopped tomorrow, how long would you survive? A week? A month? Or not even that? This video isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about not being broke forever. If you're between 18 and 30, this might be the most important financial video you watch, because the habits you build now decide whether money works for you or controls you for the rest of your life. Stay until the end, because the final step is what separates people who struggle from people who quietly become wealthy. Let's be honest, most people don't manage money, they react to it. Money comes in, money goes out. Repeat. And here's the trap. When you're just starting out, you think, I don't earn enough to worry about money yet. That thought alone keeps people poor. Because money management isn't about how much you earn, it's about what you do first when money arrives. If your phone battery was dying, would you wait until it's completely dead to charge it? Of course not. Yet that's exactly how people treat money. They wait until there's nothing left before they start caring. So let's flip the script. Managing money isn't about restriction, it's about control. And control starts with one simple shift. Step 1. Give every dollar a job. Before your money disappears, you decide where it goes. Not later, not whatever's left. Every dollar needs a purpose. Bills, spending, saving, enjoyment. Yes, enjoyment. Because if your system feels like punishment, you'll quit. When money has direction, something changes. You stop guessing. You stop feeling guilty. You feel calm. And calm is expensive. Step 2. Spend less than you earn without feeling poor. This sounds obvious, almost insulting. But here's the twist. Most people don't overspend on big things. They bleed money on small, silent expenses. Subscriptions you forgot, impulse buys, lifestyle inflation. Before spending, ask this. Will this still matter to me in 30 days? If not, future you just dodged a bad decision. Step 3. Build a small safety net. You don't need thousands to start. You need momentum. Even a small emergency fund changes everything. You stop panicking. You stop making desperate choices. You stop living paycheck to paycheck mentally, even if you still are financially. Security creates clarity, and clarity creates progress. Step 4. Automate what you don't want to think about. Here's a secret wealthy people learn early. They don't rely on motivation. They rely on systems. Bills paid automatically. Savings moved automatically. Future goals funded automatically. Because willpower is unreliable, systems don't get tired. Once money flows automatically, you stop fighting yourself, and that's when growth begins. Now here's the part most beginners miss. Managing money is only the first half of the game. It protects you, stabilizes you, gives you control. But it doesn't make you wealthy. And this is where the real question starts. Once your money is under control, what should you do next? Saving? Investing? And in what order? Because choosing wrong here can cost you years. That's exactly what I break down in the next video. What's the first move to secure your financial future? If you want to know whether you should save first or invest first, and how one decision can change everything, watch that video next. Managing money keeps you safe, but the next step is what makes you wealthy. I'll see you there.